Children, hope by now you must have completed your worksheets, all the 5 worksheets. Now it's time to discuss the answer key to this practice sheet. Coming to first question, complete the series. First part is, if horse is to stable, then mouse is to what? So the answer is based on the habitat. So here the answer is hole, because hole is the habitat of mouse. As stable is the habitat of horse, so hole is the habitat of mouse. Second is, if vulture is to scavenger, then crow is to what? So here we have to give answer on the basis of type of animal, on the basis of feeding habit. So crow is an omnivore, because vulture is a scavenger and crow is an omnivore. Third one is, if goat is to mammal, then turtle is to what? So here the answer is reptile, because goat is an example of mammal and turtle is an example of reptile. Fourth is, if ant is to insect, then earthworm is to dash. So here the answer is earthworm is to worm. Earthworm is example of a worm. And the last one is, if dog is to pet animal, then giraffe is to dash. So here the answer is wild animal. Second question is, circle the odd one out. Coming to first row, rabbit, squirrel, rat and cat. So in this row, cat is odd one out, because rabbit, squirrel and rat are rodents. They have their incisors teeth, who used to grow throughout their lives, so they used to gnaw or nibble the things. So they are rodents, but cat is not a rodent. Second is panda, giraffe, rhinoceros and camel. In this, panda is odd one out, because it is not found in India, whereas giraffe, rhinoceros and camel, they are found in India. Third is octopus, jellyfish, starfish and shark. In this row, shark is odd one out, because octopus, jellyfish and starfish, they do not have tail, whereas shark has tail. Fourth is hen, dog, lizard and mosquito. In this, dog is odd one out, because hen, lizard and mosquito, they reproduce by laying eggs, whereas dog reproduce by giving birth to babies. Question number 3 is, solve the crossword. So first of all, I am reading the hints for down. Number 1 is, it is a beautiful insect. So the answer for this is butterfly. The word which will come here is butterfly. Number 4 is, it is a scavenger and it resembles dog. So here the answer is hyena. Number 6 is, it has sharp sense of smell. So the answer for this is dog. Now I am reading hints for across. Number 2 is, it has shell. It has a shell and it can live in water and on land. So the answer for this is turtle. Number 3 is, this animal is not found in India. Answer for this is penguin. It is found in Antarctica. Number 5 is, it lives in a den. Answer for this is lion. Question number 4 is, state true or false. First is, all worms are harmful. This is a false statement, because some worms are useful also, like earthworm. Second is, we should not tease animals. This is a true statement. Third is, rodents like rat, rabbit gnaw things. So this is a true statements. They gnaw or nibble things to prevent their front teeth from growing too long. Fourth is worms breathe through air tubes. This is a false statement because worms breathe through moist skin. Fifth is insects have 6 legs. This is a true statement. Question number 5 is identify the given animal. So in this you can see the picture of 5 animals, and first animal is koala bear, second is chameleon, third is earthworm, fourth is ostrich, and fifth is grasshopper. So hope you must have checked your answers, and you must have given good results in this. And after this you will get assignment of this chapter. So download the assignment and read the assignment thoroughly and try to solve it. Tomorrow we will discuss the answer key to this assignment. Till then, have a nice day, children.